Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is notification in Indian Council of Medical Research regarding assistants Group B Level 6 post. ICMR accordingly invites online applications from the citizens of India for recruitment to the regular post of assistants Group B Level 6 at Indian Council of Medical Research Headquarters, New Delhi, and its institute centers across India. So this is regarding assistants in ICMR Group B post. There is no interview for Group B post. Okay, only skill tests wherever required. They are offered a skill test only, and this is level 6 pay matrix. Okay, so and here the online application starting date is 7th November 2020 and closing date 3rd December 2020, and admit cards availability 21st December 2020, and the computer based exam is 3rd January 2020. Okay, so these are the important dates. Okay, and when it comes to application fees, SC, ST, EWS and women candidates are 1200 plus transaction charges, and for all others 1500 plus transaction charges. This is regarding application fee. Okay, and whoever having disabilities, persons with the benchmark disabilities, those are exempted from fee payment. Okay, so and mode of payment, you can use a debit, credit and net banking, any other. And one more thing, so these are the number of vacancies. So total number of vacancies are around 80. So unreserved 33, and economically weaker section 8, OBC 21, ST 6 and SC 12. Okay, these are the total number of vacancies. Okay, and next, eligibility criteria and essential educational qualification and age limit for the posts are mentioned below. So assistants Group B post and level 6 pay matrix, that is 35,400 is the basic pay, and the gross 1,12,400 rupees. So net salary we can expect around 50 to 45 to 50,000, and this is previous pay matrix. So this is the revised one according to 7th CPC. Level 6 pay matrix is applicable for assistants in ICMR, and age limit not exceeding 30 years. The minimum essential qualification, minimum 3 years bachelor degree in any discipline from a recognized university or an institute. Okay, so minimum 3 years bachelor's degree means so max we can expect 4 years or 5 years also. Those people also eligible for this exam. And the second thing is, and working knowledge of computer, MS Office and PowerPoint. This is also important. The both things are mandatory for this particular assistant post in ICMR. Okay, so this is the minimum essential qualifications. And here age relaxation, so this is the same pattern for all the notifications. Okay, SC ST 5 years and OBC 3 years and persons with a disability 10 years, and the rest of the things we can go through this particular thing. And so and next thing is the scheme of exam. Okay, so here we have total 4 sections: general intelligence, general awareness, quantitative aptitude and English language. So number of questions, each section having 20 questions and the marks 20 marks. That means each question carries 1 mark, and the negative marks also there, and 0.25 mark, that means 1/4 the mark, 1/4 the negative marks also there. So you have total time duration 80 minutes. Okay, 80 questions in 80 minutes time, and negative marks 0.25 for each wrong answer, and 80% of the weightage. Okay, so 80% marks are weightage will be for the written and computer based examination. Okay, so and the rest of the 20% weightage is given to the skill test wherever required. Okay, so the skill tests where prescribed in the essential qualification will be conducted, and 20% of marks weightage would be given. Okay, so 80% of the marks weightage to be given by the computer based test, and the 20% of the weightage given to the skill test. Okay, and here indicative syllabus, and first section is general intelligence. Okay, so you go through detailed topics here, and next one is general awareness, and next one is quantitative aptitude, and next thing is English language. This is the basics are required for this test. Okay, and next, So this is regarding assistants in Indian Council of Medical Research. Okay, so for further job updates, please subscribe my channel, and please like the video and share this information to your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this notification, please comment on comment box. Thank you.